Welcome to How Ines Rolls. We're into summer now, so I need to get some things done, and Ezra's with me this morning, and I thought we could do a little bit of a day in a life. How's that sound? Let's get started. So we were watching a video this morning about Lego organization, right, Ezzy?
Yeah.
Wait, where are you? I want to show everybody.
Back here.
Oh, there you are. And so one of the great suggestions was to have like these little white shelves from IKEA. So Ezra said, we need to go today. And IKEA's on the way actually out to my husband's work, to Paul's work. And so I thought we would drop him off a little something to eat. Well, so we decided that we were going to drop off something I've never had before, but I wanted to incorporate it into this video as a favorite eats because I've been following them on Instagram for months now, and I've been meaning to go in, and I think today is the perfect day for it. Making little bowls over there. Those are looking so yummy. Can't wait. Do you like it, Ezra?
Yeah.
It is so good. So I mixed in all of the fruit. It really looks like this. This one's Paul's. And I've never had one of these before. This is our first time. And I've been wanting to. So I've been following this place, like I said, for months. And now it's our first time. I think they are a chain. So do you have a Bowlology close by or something that makes acai bowls that you get often? I'd love to know what favorite toppings you get. So my thoughts about Bowlology is I loved it. It is a little bit pricier than, it's like buying a whole meal. So that bowl that Ezra and I shared was $8.50. So it was a little pricey, but it felt really good to eat it. So I would even think that it would be great to get as a dessert, even like if you're feeling like you need to have a little bit of a sweet to satisfy the sweet tooth. I think that was a perfect option. Plus, it is wonderful for any meal, really. Did you like it, Ezra?
Yeah.
Where are you at? Did you like that?
Yeah.
Should we go back?
No.
No. Maybe I'll take Paul. But it's one of those places that I had been stalking pretty much on Instagram. Not really stalking, just following, because they always have wonderful pictures of different variations of toppings, and I wanted to try them all, really. But next time I'm going to try something different, I think. And and after the weekend that we had, having a kind of like a detox of fruit, it's perfect. Plus, I wanted to show you another favorite eat place that we go to, and I'll show you here. I'm going to be heading out to a special place for lunch today, and I thought I'd take you along. So this is Paul's favorite place to go eat. We go there not too often, but because of the graduation party, we want to order some stuff for it. And it's in Boulder City, so it's a little out of the way, but it's called Fox's BBQ. So this place is like a little hole-in-the-wall place. Is this the open? Oh, next door. And it's so good. They're like award-winning barbecue, smoking meats and stuff. In fact, this is it looks like one of their smoking. These are awesome. They go to like different carnivals and fairs and stuff, and they do good work. What do you want to eat, Ez?
Mac and cheese and french fries.
Did you decide what you're going to get, folks? Yeah, what you getting? Oklahoma. What are you gonna get?
The brisket Philly.
Ooh, that sounds like your style. And then we have some undecideds. So good. So you got the Philly, right?
I did, yes.
You should break it open. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. All I see is a lot of cheese. Yeah, that looks so good. And then I got a pork sandwich with their mac and cheese, so I'm gonna try that. Looks so good. And Ezzy, that's what he loves, right? He loves french fries. You want to show me what you got?
Yeah.
Oklahoma. Oh, okay, it's got peppers and stuff in it.
I also barbecue mayo. You want it?
Yeah, okay. hold on. Show me what you got.
Smokehouse burger with brisket infused into it.
Brisket infused in the burger. Yum. And you got sweet potato fries down there, right, Sandy? That's Grandma. That's Grandma from Back Row Rebels. Yum. Burnt
What about me?
ends.
What about me?
What you get, Ezzy?
Mac and cheese and
French fries. We are at IKEA and we are so excited. Do you have an IKEA near you? What do you think, Ezzy? It's like the Disneyland of furniture stores. This place is awesome. So one thing you may not know about me is I love tiny houses. So this I could totally live in. Like, I'm like, here's a little kitchen, there's a room, a bathroom. It's totally awesome. Oh, that's just the hallway. But I could totally live in a small space. Paul's not down with that though. And then back here is kind of like a little, I've been here before, like another little bedroom. How awesome is this? Little closet area. Oh, you like that? You like that lion pillow? Could you live in a tiny space? Here's another tiny space I could totally do. So like living room, kitchen. This one doesn't really have separation of rooms, so that would be the only thing is I would love like a little wall here to have some separation for the bedroom. But, I mean, other than that, I'm really not picky. I mean, if it's beautiful, I'm okay. And look at all this like storage. I could totally do this. And that's just me though. I mean, I love tiny spaces. So, let me know what you think about tiny spaces. So we found the shelves that Ezra was wanting for his Legos. I think they'll be a nice addition in the boys' room. So I got 4 of them. So you can stack them like this. And they float. So those are pretty easy to do. I hope. Daddy will help with that. But a not too bad price. Like $6.99 I think they were each. So not too bad. I got 4, but I'm not sure if we're going to use them all. So after I took that tiny little nap, I'm reminded I have more work to do. So I have some laundry to do, and I have more laundry downstairs. And now it's almost time for dinner. And then it will be leftovers today because we still have leftovers from the barbecue. So that's my life in a nutshell. But at least I got to do some fun things today with going to IKEA, and we went to Bowlology, and just spending time with Ezra. That's super fun. But it's time for me to get into this part of my job, my chores, or just the things that I do around the house. But thanks for following me and watching what I do in my day in the life, and stick around. You just never know. I need to tidy up this room too. What I'm going to be rolling out next. Have a great day.